What is up, guys? TechRex here. How are you guys all doing? I hope you're having a great day. I've got a gold iPhone 6 here, fully working, functional, flawless, and we're going to be doing some grinding. Not that type of grinding though. I've actually got a tool here. Let me go ahead and show you. This is a angle grinder. And it does say here not for cutting. So I do not suggest for you guys to try this at home. I'm going to be doing this anyways. We're just going to try and smooth this thing out, see how it goes, and let's just go ahead and do it. So I'm going to go ahead and start just kind of on the side. So we're not going to be really, chainsawing the phone, but we're just going to try and smooth it up. So just from the corners, maybe in half or in the middle or something. We'll see how it goes, guys, okay? We'll see how it goes. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. Again, fully working, fully functional phone. Okay, let's check again. Ooh. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, guys, we're not stopping there. So let's go ahead and go like this. Yeah. And now, guys, this is the holy grail. When you see the light, you know you're doing it right. So look at that beautiful iPhone. That smells good. So does it still work? Yes, it does. I could still make calls, I could still text, check Twitter, do everything, but you've also got that nice beam of light just coming from the center of the phone. Why stop there when you can keep going? So let's keep going. Ooh. Now when you see orange and it becomes kind of hot, that's when you know you just want to sit there and breathe that in. No, I'm just kidding, guys. So when you see that, you want to take a little break. So I'll show you guys what happens in the next segment. Okay, guys, so it stopped smoking. Let's continue, shall we? Yeah. And that, my friends, is how you grind an iPhone 6. And this thing's freaking hot. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Can't even breathe. Okay, as always, guys, stay tuned for more videos. And wait. Peace out.